pick up Liv for the last time at her daycare. She's been at her whole little baby life. It's sad. It's been such a good school, babe. So they've really liked it. They start a new school on Monday together, which I can't believe that worked out so well. Like, that's crazy. And we packed up the car to go to the new house. Movers are coming tomorrow, but we wanted to bring some things, and less boxes equals less money that we have to pay for. We have to get them. So yeah, and we are gonna eat out tonight and then go home and pack the rest of the house before tomorrow. Starting a little late, but the moving truck it broke down, so they had to get a smaller truck and a van. And then we're just doing the odd ins and outs. We had pizza for breakfast, Mediterranean flatbread, cold brew coffee. Kids, well, Stella and Liv were picked up by my mother-in-law, and now we're just getting it done. We're packing the cars up, and yeah, here. Trying to make you guys trying to not make you guys dizzy. I walked so many steps. Walked 1,000 miles just to see you.
A bowl full of mush and a quiet old lady who is whispering.
Hush!
Yeah, come in.
What am I missing here?
Come to my favorite taking journey.
Silly. Oh my gosh, look at her. Hey, that's gonna teach her better to climb out of her crib now.
Yeah, I know.
I was just thinking that.
And she's still a bit asleep.
But take her out of the sleep sack so she doesn't understand it yet.
This is the pantry. I'm gonna get some more organization systems. Like, we have pull-out drawers right now, and I want to get those here, but they're kind of pricey. And I'm gonna get some bins and stuff. But we got this organized. My grandma-in-law, Gigi, got everything organized, like spices, extra stuff, popcorn stuff, baking stuff, saran wrap, and which I never use, but very rarely. Candy, our protein bars, snacks for the kids, cereal, travel mugs, blender, and then we have like some party stuff, and then we have all of our appliances, more stuff, like bigger things, and we love seasonings, coffee and tea, and then some more like appliances and just like random things. And then we're working on the island still, but like compared to what we had tons of boxes. Still doing pretty good. And I love the rug, got it from Gabe's. And then we need to get like more organization things for this, but still. And then, oops, get everything baby proofed. Oh my God, that's like completely empty. And then this is for the kids. So utensils, plates, and bowls, and then sippy cups and bottles. This is where I'm gonna film. Beautiful natural lighting, my makeup, and like a bunch of paint and like, I don't know, random things that I keep. My vanity, and then this is where I work. Well, this is where I'm going to be working. Of course, my tripods, my ring light. I'm gonna get some soft boxes too, but still, it's gonna be really nice. It's way brighter than what I had. And then light, obviously vegan cookbooks. Table, we're gonna get a longer table and put this rug there, but right now we just have this table. And then kitchen helper, fridge. Got these for our daughter. She already tried to get these off. This is for not to get into it. Oven lock. And then we got like this at Gabe's. Our couch is coming on Tuesday, and bar stool's coming out too. And then a water table. That is our beautiful view. Yes, I did get these heavy boxes in the house. by myself. Does my back hurt? Yes. But they're in the house. This is our couch. Who is that? Stella. This is our couch.
This one my new boxes.
Yeah, it's a lot of couch. It's a couch. Okay, ready? Wanna go see the playroom?
Yeah.
Okay.
Get a chair.
Look.
Everything's
Yeah, everything's here. What do you think?
here. Yay, this is here too.
Yeah, Gaga got you that. What do you think?
Oh my goodness.
What do you think?
Oh, be free.
All your stuff's here. What do you think?
And that.
Yeah, we're gonna pull that up this weekend. What do you
And my
think?
bike. And this.
Yeah, your bike's right there. Look. Everything's here.
That's my new bike.
Yeah, your bike.
That's my new bike.
Yeah.
Yes, 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 yes.